Most tower buildings today are built using a process called continuous forming, where each level is constructed by curing poured concrete inside forming boards. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that takes computer-generated models and builds them in a printing machine layer by layer. Yet as versatile as these 3D printers have proven themselves to be, the next 5 to 10 years will see them develop substantially more advanced abilities that will have an enormous impact on the construction industry. As this technology matures, massive 3D printers will print elaborately designed housing and even entire high-rise buildings, either in parts or in full on site. There are 4 key advantages these future 3D printers will introduce to the construction industry. 1. Combining materials. Experts forecast these construction-scale 3D printers will be able to print multiple materials at once. 2. Material strength. Being able to print more versatile materials will allow these 3D printers to build concrete walls that are substantially stronger than most current forms of construction. 3. Cheaper and less wasteful. One of 3D printing's biggest advantages is that it allows developers to substantially cut the amount of waste involved with the construction process. 4. Production speed. These printers can substantially cut the amount of time needed to build new structures. 3D printers will allow the construction of buildings with unheard of geometric complexity. Design trends will become more free-form and organic,